In the previous videos, I demonstrated how to connect Apple Magic Keyboard with Mac as well as how to connect Apple Magic Mouse with your Mac. Now in this video, I'll show you how to connect Apple Magic Trackpad with your Mac. So whether you want to connect Apple Magic Trackpad with MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, MacMini, iMac or MacStudio, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview and let's learn how to connect Apple Magic Trackpad to your Mac. To connect your Apple Magic Trackpad to Mac, first of all, you'll have to turn on the toggle switch for Bluetooth that you see here on your Magic Trackpad. You may simply toggle it on and you'll see this green color inside that, and that will confirm that the Bluetooth settings have been turned on this Apple Magic Trackpad. So the next step is turning on the Bluetooth settings on your Mac. For that, simply click on this control center and select the option that says Bluetooth, and you may turn on the Bluetooth settings from here as well, or click on Bluetooth settings to go into Bluetooth settings directly. And by the way, if you don't see the Bluetooth options in your control center, then you can also go to Bluetooth settings by clicking on this system settings option in the dock. Another way to go to Bluetooth settings on your Mac is by simply going to system settings by clicking on this Apple icon in the top left corner, and after that selecting the option that says system settings. So click on system settings and here you'll see your system settings options. From the left menu items, select the option that says Bluetooth, and now we are in Bluetooth settings of this Mac. So toggle on the Bluetooth switch here and Bluetooth settings will turn on this Mac. And as soon as the Bluetooth settings is turned on this Mac, you should see the Apple Magic Trackpad listed here in the list of nearby devices. And by the way, if you don't see the Apple Magic Trackpad listed here in the list of nearby devices, then that means you are connecting this Magic Trackpad for the first time on this Mac. So in that case, you'll have to connect your Apple Magic Trackpad for the first time using the cable provided inside the box. For that, put the one end of cable inside the port of your Mac and another end to your Magic Trackpad. You can see there is a port here. So insert the other end of cable inside the port of this Apple Magic Trackpad, and once you connect that, you'll see a pop-up on your Mac. It will ask whether you want to allow this accessory to connect to this Mac or not. So simply click on allow, and after that your Mac will show this message saying your trackpad is wirelessly connected to this Mac. That means you can use your trackpad without the cable as well. So you can remove the cable from the trackpad, and even if you remove the cable, you will see this message saying that trackpad is connected, and here under the Magic Trackpad as well you will see the connected saying there, and after that you can use your Magic Trackpad like a normal one. So this is how you connect your Apple Magic Trackpad to your Mac for the first time. And by the way, from the next time you don't need a cable to connect your Magic Trackpad to Mac. You can simply toggle on the switch for Bluetooth here on your Magic Trackpad, and after that turn on the Bluetooth on your Mac and it should connect automatically to your Mac like this. I hope this video was helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to connect Apple Magic Keyboard to your Mac, make sure you tap here to watch this video. And if you want to learn how to connect Apple Magic Mouse to your Mac, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.